Excellent. Shall we say it one more time? Last time. Last time. Jai Ganesh. Jai Saraswati. Jai Vishnu Bhagwan. Lacha Raghunadas ki. Dina Buddhi Gyan. Okay, that's nice. Excellent, Bacha Party. So children, once upon a time, there was a beautiful big garden. Very beautiful. You know what is there in the garden usually? There are different plants and there are different colored flowers, red, blue, yellow, and orange, and few are green also. There are lots of flowers and there were some trees which were having fruits also. Beautiful and yummy, juicy fruits. All the birds, they just loved to come there in that garden and eat the fruits. And you know what birds like, children? They like to drink the juice from the flower with their beak. The beaks are little longer and they just go to the flower and they just drink the juice. And then they love that flower. Yes, that's correct, Rama. They drink like that only. That's correct. So you know what happened? There were lots of flowers and lots of bodies, and there were butterflies also. Butterflies were big, small, medium, giant, so many butterflies. But there was only one problem. You know what was the problem? There was a plant. There was a plant and it was a cactus plant. वो एक cactus का bush था. It was a bush actually. Have you seen the cactus? You can raise your hand. Who did not see a cactus? Who did not see a cactus? I will show you the cactus. Wait. Someone, you get me the cactus plant, na? No, it's not here. Give me, na? So, you know, children, the cactus plant was not very small. It was a bush, okay? It was a bush. It was this big. It was this big, but you know, it did not have any beautiful flowers. No beautiful flowers, no beautiful fruits. Kuch bhi nahi tha. It did not have anything. You know, so what happened? None of the birds came to that cactus. Ye dekho, this is a cactus. Can you all see? Oh yes, it doesn't have beautiful flower. It doesn't have beautiful leaves. And you know, if you try to touch, it hurts. Let me just try to touch from here. ये तो prick हो गया. Prick हो रहा है. It's so horny. So many thorns are there. So many thorns. And they're very sharp. You know, they're very sharp. And it's very dangerous to touch the cactus. It just hurts, you know. So there were no friends of that cactus. So Yalini, you know, there were no friends of cactus and cactus was very sad. I don't have any friends. It feels so bad. It used to see so many birds are there, butterflies are there. No one comes to me. No one talks with me. It used to feel so bad. बहुत बुरा लगता था उसको. And you know what happened? One day, a rose plant said, you cactus, you have so many thorns. I will not talk to you. Look at me. I have beautiful flowers. The rose flowers are so beautiful. And they have very interesting, very nice smell also. है ना? Rose flower के पास तो smell भी होती है and color भी अच्छा होता है. So rose flower was, the plant was teasing. Cactus. I'm not talking to you. You're not at all beautiful. मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करूंगा. तुम तो बिल्कुल सुंदर नहीं हो. You're not beautiful. And the cactus was like, Then next plant, it started teasing cactus. Shabby cactus, look at yourself. Look like you never take bath also. Chi 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 chi, how dirty you look. All over only thorns and thorns and thorns. Only thorns and thorns and thorns. Chi, I'm not going to talk to you. And the cactus plant, it started crying again. It was very upset. And then you know what happened? There were so many butterflies flying around the beautiful bushes. Jahan jahan flower hai, wahan butterfly hai. Where there were flowers, butterflies were there. And one chutku sa, small sa, cute sa butterfly, it came and sat on the cactus very carefully, very carefully. So it did not get hurt. And then Mama butterfly came. Hey, little one, why are you sitting there? Don't sit there. That's not a beautiful bush. You know, that's not a beautiful bush. That's a cactus, Ray. Don't sit there. Baby butterfly said, Mama, I'm tired. Please let me sit here now. It's okay. If there are no flowers, it's okay. If there are no beautiful leaves, it is okay. I will just sit here. And the little butterfly sat there. The cactus was very happy. For the first time, someone came to cactus. You know, पहली बार कोई उसके पास आया था. First time someone came to him. And then he was very happy. And he was happily looking at the little butterfly. And then he started talking. Said, thank you, little butterfly, for coming to me. You know, none of the flowers, they talk to me. None of the plants talk to me. I don't have friends. So little butterfly was very kind. It said, don't worry. I will be your friend. I will come to you every day. And I will talk to you every day. And we will play every day. The cactus was so happy. Oh, wow, I got first friend. You know, first friend is so special when you go to school and when you make one friend, you're so happy. You're so happy because it's your first friend. The cactus was very happy. Oh, finally, I got my first friend. And the little butterfly used to come every day. They used to talk and they used to laugh. Cactus was very happy. And you know what happened? The other plants, they used to see cactus very happy. Only one friend, very happy. The other plants used to tease the little butterfly and the cactus. But one day, you know what happened? There were lots of monkeys in the nearby town. All the monkeys came to that garden and they were very happy. You know what monkeys do? They jump from one branch to other branch, this branch to other branch. They just pluck the flowers, they pluck the fruits, they cut it, they eat it, they threw it. This is what monkeys do. They're very, very naughty. The naughty monkey started plucking the fruits and the flowers, and they started stomping on the plants, and the plants started crying, oh, please, someone save us. Someone please save us. These monkeys, oh my God, these naughty monkeys are going to kill us. ये सारे जो है ना monkeys, हम plants को मार डालेंगे क्या? कोई बचाओ, हमको बचाओ. Someone please save. The plants started shouting, crying, and they were seeking for some help. उनको कुछ help चाहिए थी. No one came to help because no one was able to help them. And then there came our favorite cutie sa cactus. The cactus, this is a very small cactus, okay? This is a baby cactus. But the cactus in our story was this big. You remember I told you, it was this big. It just spread its arms, you know, it just spread kiya arms, and it just tried to hug all the little plants nearby. Jappi, hug kiya. The cactus hugged all the plants. And you know what happened? Monkey said, ha, you want to save the plants? We are very naughty. We are going to trouble you also, cactus. Don't try to save your friends. And all the monkeys jumped on the cactus. You know what happened? Cactus had all the thorns on its body. Monkeys को चुभा इधर 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 इधर. Oh, it's pricking. Oh my God, subset say it's pricking. The monkeys were shouting because they were hurt. उनको चुभने लग गया, कांटे हर साइड से कांटे चुभ रहे हैं. The thorns are just pricking here and there like injection. You know injection जैसा चुभ रहा है everywhere, in the bumps, in the back, in the shoulders and everywhere. And the monkeys ran away. He said, we don't want to fight with this cactus. This cactus is very, very dangerous. It's giving injections, lots of injections to us. All the monkeys ran away. And when the monkeys ran away, you know what did cactus do? It just removed the jappi, the hug. It just removed the hug from all the other plants and other flowers, which were very beautiful. And then all the plants were so happy. And they said, thank you, dear cactus, for saving us. We always used to tease you, but you know, you helped us. Thank you so much. And after that, they all became friends. No one teased the cactus. So they all became friends and they lived happily ever after. So children, this was the story about the cactus. So how did you find the story? You can unmute yourself. We are done with the story. You like the story?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. I got disconnected in the time, so I couldn't hear you properly.
Oh.
Teacher.
So
Teacher.
you like the story, children?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Teacher.
cactus in my house.
Okay.
Teacher.
Huh?
Teacher. Do you know?
Oh yes, that's correct, bacha. Sometimes the cactus thorns are very poisonous. That is true, bacha. That's correct, baby.
And cactuses even store water.
Yes, it can store water. You know, there is one more cactus which we have. I will just show you because I got it. This is called moon cactus. How beautiful it is, no? This is called moon cactus. You know, this is so small, smaller than my face also. That's called moon cactus, okay? Just remember the name. You will see it sometime. Take with 2 hands.
Ma'am,
Huh?
and every day on my to our house.
Which bird comes to your house?
It's parrots.
Okay, so even we can see some parrots and myna and sparrows and sometimes the sunbird. It's so interesting to see so many birds nearby our house. Yes, Gargi?
मेरे घर के सामने जो तोते आते हैं सुबह 6 बजे और जब बारिश आती है तब मोर हमारे पीछे के बिल्डिंग में या सामने नाचते हैं और
क्या बात करते हो? मोर भी नाचते हैं आपके पास?
हाँ,
क्या बात है. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब मोर डांस करेगा तो प्लीज सेंड पिक्चर टू मी. ठीक है? एंड आई विल शेयर इट विथ एवरीवन. मैं सबके साथ शेयर करूंगी उसकी फोटो.
मैम.
Yes.
And there is another tree near my house, and on that tree every day a bird comes named Bharatwaj.
Oh, Bharadwaj also. That's nice.
Yeah, and one day I see 2 Bharatwaj.
So did you get to eat something sweet that day?
We both get gulab jamun.
Because usually people say if you see 2 Bharadwaj, you get to eat something really sweet and yummy.
Teacher.
Huh?
Do you know once when I went trekking with my father, I saw one Bharatwaj on the tree. It was flying very nicely.
Ah, okay. That's nice. You know, whenever you travel outside, you get to see lots of things, children. You should keep traveling. Abhi to COVID hai, it's okay. But jab COVID chala jayega na, start traveling. If you go outside and travel outside, na, you'll get to see lots of things. Okay, children, you can continue eating your food because I'm going to show you some interesting stories which I have shortlisted, animated. Hey, you will have fun, okay? And you can unmute anytime. पर बीच में मत बोलना वरना गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. मूवी ऐसे ही रह जाएगी, ठीक है? I will just share. Wait.
Once upon a time there lived. Okay, the story is called the golden bird.
Okay, but I can't see your face. You have to adjust your camera.
Now?
Okay, beta.
Okay, so the story is about a golden bird. Once upon a time, there lived a grandmother and the dog and her granddaughter lived in a small hut. Even though they couldn't spend, they will only eat once or twice a day. Then there was a golden bird, and then the golden bird thought, "Oh, they look very sad. They only eat one or two times." Then it thought, maybe I should give one of my golden feathers, and then they can sell it and they will get money and they can eat. So one day, the bird came to the grandmother and her granddaughter's hut, and then she told. And then when the golden bird came, the grandmother was thinking, "Oh, I don't have anything to give for this bird. What do I do?" She thought, and she was feeling very pity for the bird. But then the golden bird told, "No, no, no, I am not here for eating food. I have come here to give one of my feathers." Then the grandmother thought, she was very confused. Then the bird told, "I'll give one of your feathers and then you can sell it and then you can eat three times a day." And then she told okay, and then this went on, and then the second time also she got a feather. But then when the grandmother got very greedy, she thought, let me take all the feathers off the bird's body, then I will be able to get lot of money. Then what happened is, the granddaughter told, "Why are you harming her like that? She has done so much for you." But the grandma had already made her choice. Then she took all the feathers from the body, but it was no longer golden. It became all ordinary feathers. So the moral is that you should not be greedy. Greedy doesn't come without a price.
Oh, that's excellent, Kathy. That was a good story. Shabash bacha. Very good. Okay. So children, shall we dance now? It's party.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
It's party. We have to dance. I'm sure you all have finished eating. Okay. So I will put one or two songs of my choice. Then you have to tell me your choice. Come on, Adrit, Rashi, Utto, Utto. कौन सा गाना लगाना है? Let me check.
Dancing, 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 dancing any way you please. But stop when I say freeze.
Freeze! Oh, that was fun. That was fun. मजा आया. So I will just put all on mute, maybe. Okay, so today is the last day of our summer camp, and I am going to miss all the kids. So I thought, usually, you know what happens when there is summer camp at our home? Every day I meet parents when they come for pickup, they come for dropping kids. But here it is, everything is online. So I thought this is the best way to at least talk to the parents once, because आज तक मैं face to face आई नहीं हूँ. As such, we have not met anyone face to face. So I thought I will just talk to all the parents for last 10 minutes. So I hope all the kids are here, parents are also here. So Yalini,
I will miss you.
हाँ, आजा आजा आप ड्राइंग क्लास आ जाओ. दादी is anyway asking, Nani is always asking for you. Okay. हाँ. Okay, I will just talk to all the parents one by one. Huh? Wait for 10 minutes. Everyone's turn will come.
I think you have to talk, not me.
हाँ, you can also talk. मुझे चलेगा, मैं unmute कर दूंगी आपको. बिंदास बात कर सकते हो आप. Hello, Yalini's mama.
Ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine.
Yeah. So Yalini enjoyed the summer camp?
She loved the summer camp. She's very sad that it's getting over today.
I know. Actually, all the kids are so friendly and they were enjoying, and we were talking every day so much. Even I'm going to miss. You know, my son was teasing me. Tomorrow, Mama is going to cry because all the summer camp will finish. The last day, तो Mama दिन भर रोने वाली है.
These kids are terrible, ma'am. They'll make us feel even more bad. No?
Yeah. yeah. But she enjoyed all the activities, right?
And she loved every activity. Yesterday, we were all fighting for the pizza she was making. We didn't have enough.
Yes. Actually, the laddus were a super hit. So I thought I will take one more session, fireless cooking, because kids enjoyed a lot.
No, ma'am. Her grandparents are sugar patients, so they couldn't have the laddus. So pizza, my mom was just waiting for the pizza to get over. She came and sat near until she was completing it.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, I have told children to make pizzas on weekends so that their mamas, papas, they get some rest. Especially mamas will get some rest. So on weekend mornings, kids are going to make pizzas now. You are not going to forget the shloka and the pizza and laddu. 3 things you are not going to forget.
Keep writing those slokas every day, calling us everyone, and going to us everyone and telling separately to each and every one of us.
Yeah. I want the pronunciation to be correct, actually. That is the reason I tell them to chant individually. Yeah, chalega. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Gargi's mama. काय म्हणतात गार्गी ताई? मी तिला चिवताई म्हणते.
हो थँक्यू. तिने खूप त्रास दिलाय ना तुम्हाला सारखं मध्ये मध्ये
No.
नाही मला बसावं लागत होतं मध्ये मध्ये.
No, I am perfectly okay with kids. I enjoy with kids. मला काही फरक नाही पडत.
तिने पण पिझ्झा खूप एन्जॉय केला. खूप आवडला तिला तो. तिने सगळ्यांना रेसिपी पण सांगितली.
Oh, I know. It's easy to make also actually. मुलांसाठी सोपं आहे.
हा सोपं आहे करायला.
आणि माझी एक मैत्री आहे, माझ्या खालच्या फ्लोअरवर राहते, तिला पण सांगितली मी.
कसला भारी ना. व्हेरी गुड.
आम्हाला
लॉकडाऊन संपलं की यू कॅन डू अ पार्टी ऑल्सो and you can make pizza for your
पिझ्झा.
मैम मेरा एक टेंट भी है.
अच्छा, okay. You can show me later. Maybe after once I talk to the parents. चलेगा. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
हाँ. Adrit is sitting with full family. Adrit, दीदी को भी बुलाओ भैया. बहुत झगड़े करते हो तुम लोग. एकदम टॉम एंड जेरी वाला फीलिंग आता है मुझको. मुझे पहले लगा अद्रित की मम्मा इज देयर, एंड देन वन डे शी सेड अरे नहीं वो तो उसकी दीदी है. So Adrit and Didi, you enjoyed the summer camp?
Yeah.
So who enjoyed the most, Adrit or Didi?
We enjoyed.
Actually, ma'am, I already enjoyed. I will have work from home and office, right?
Yeah.
So these two people will fight at the same time, and my meeting is there.
I know all Didi Bhaiya combinations are like Tom and Jerry only. Even we have one more, Harshit and his Didi. They see, they are sitting there. वो भी एकदम Tom and Jerry वाला जोड़ी है.
Krishna, Shanu, I bought it in
Yeah, so
और
really,
वो
overall really
सीरियसली
fine.
कैंप के टाइम पे ही फाइट होता है. वो कुछ बोलेगी करने के लिए और ये बोलेगा ऐसे नहीं, मैम ने ऐसे बोला है. तो जबरदस्त फाइट होती है. पूरा टाइम
Nah, I could see the fights every day actually. I could see the fights every day.
Krishna, if you go, I will not speak.
Yeah. Chalo, I'm happy you guys enjoyed.
Yeah. So she's the laddus.
Yeah. Who is that?
लड्डू से पिज्जा.
Ah, laddus and pizzas. Yes, yes, yes.
Fond of
Okay.
eating
Can I ask Dadi? Hello.
Hello, Snehal ma'am. How are you?
Ah, I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. Good to see you again.
Yeah, ma'am. So sad Shania is today because the camp is finishing. The summer camp, she dance now.
Ah, okay, okay.
And those were her favorite. She made it again once
I know. Ah.
for all of us, and of course, pizza she made it for her chachu today. So, and everything went very well, ma'am. Thank you
Ah.
so much. And yesterday she's telling me, I think you told her the meaning of your name, no?
Yes.
So she's telling me my name is Snehal only.
Yeah, she told me in the class also. कि स्नेहल का मीनिंग आई टोल्ड देम a lady who loves a lot, especially आपके जैसे छोटे बच्चों को. And she's like, मैम आप एकदम अपने नाम के जैसे ही हो.
She came and told me also, and she's madly in love with you.
Yeah. Kids are very innocent. It's fun to work with kids actually. They're very
It's fun,
innocent.
really. And you know, you have fun, so they really enjoy all that.
Ah, yes. Thank
Which
you.
way you
ma'am.
keep putting their legs and all that, they enjoy that.
Right. Yeah.
Chalo,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I am thinking of having one more batch. Maybe I will update you on the WhatsApp. We might have one more batch, not two batches, because right now I'm working for almost 7 hours a day. तो मेरी तो आवाज ही बदल गई पूरा. I'm
Yes,
working
yes.
7 hours a day. I have back-to-back batches, and you know, when you are with kids, you have to be there with whole your energy. ये जो सुबह चालू था ना, इतना ही energy से मैं शाम तक रहती हूँ. But then I'm
Last batch.
exhausted, so I will just have one more batch. Let's see. I will keep posted.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Raman, Sara, full family, huh? Hello, ma'am. Yeah, can you hear me, ma'am?
मैम
Yeah, can you hear me?
Product challenge.
Yes, ma'am.
So kids enjoyed?
Krishna, I am very sorry.
We also had good experience. It was nice.
They were running around a lot actually. I Rama Sara, aa jao screen ke samne, Rama Sara. But the story which they told was quite interesting. They made some trees and they used dinosaur, they used their toys. I think that part they enjoyed a lot.
Enjoy.
More than, I mean, cooking and that story thing was really good. I mean, I was also impressed. I was like, oh, I have to make something like this next time for my stories. I focus only on expression and the tone, but these kids, they made some models, so it was interesting.
They thoroughly enjoyed cooking.
Yeah.
Real food items and using utensils from the actual kitchen.
Actual kids.
It was fun for them.
And no interference of parents, you know, that is also परवणी असते ती एक. चलेगा. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Krishna, where did Dadi go? अच्छा मैं राशि के मम्मी से बात कर लेती हूँ.
One second, ma'am. She's
Okay,
coming.
no problem. Okay. Hello, Rashi's mama. You are not well or what? You're wearing a
Ma'am, my grandma has come.
आ रही हूँ बच्चा, आ रही हूँ आपके पास. रुक जाओ 1 मिनट. So Rashi enjoyed the summer camp, ma'am.
Yeah. So throughout the time, I was not with her, and she was with her elder sister. I
Yes.
was home isolated, so that's why I haven't seen her. but she enjoyed, and she was telling me that she is making pizzas, and even she showed me the caterpillars that she has created,
Yeah.
which is amazing. Yeah, she has enjoyed a lot.
By the way, I have given her a homework. I'm not sure if these girls told you. There is one photograph of Sachin Tendulkar of his childhood. The hair is
Okay.
exactly like this. So I told her, "Mama ko bolo Sachin Tendulkar wala pose mein photo chahiye."
Oh, अच्छा. Okay, she did not tell me.
I will share the photo also. हाथ में बैट लेके ना बिल्कुल ऐसे curly curly hair है, exact Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, Krishnam Zadi. How are you?
Hello, fine. Thank you so much, teacher. Today onwards, our children are going to become sad from tomorrow without you.
I know.
You're so much bubbling with energy and life.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
really,
yeah.
children love you. Even we love you so much.
हाँ,
आपका वो कैटरपिलर भी बहुत सुंदर था. Very, very beautiful. पिज्जाज बहुत अच्छे थे. पिज्जा तो सबके लिए उसने घर में 5 बनाए, सबके लिए एक-एक.
Yes, yes.
Even for the maid, he made one and gave.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Very good. Very good.
Thank
You know,
you
these
so
things
much.
you don't have to teach. I mean, if kids are doing on their own, it's really appreciable.
And best thing of yours, वो fish भी जो आपने draw करवाया petal करके, superb drawing. Otherwise, Krishnam is not good at drawing. He did wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome. Yes, Adrit, wait for 2 minutes. Na, I will just talk to 2 parents, then you can leave. 2 minutes और रुक जाओ, चलो.
सर हाथ धोना चाहिए ना.
हाँ, hello, Sai's mama.
Hello.
Yeah, so Sai enjoyed. There was a language problem, na? For Yalini, Khyati, and Sai, I was really worried because whenever I speak English, I go to Hindi, then I again come back to English.
It's okay, not a problem. I can understand. Even we have put her in Hindi as second language, so she's trying to understand actually.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, she actually to say she's learning now from you.
It's
She has
good.
done a lot of
In a way,
words.
it is good if they're learning some new words.
Yes.
Yeah.
So she's learned a lot of Hindi as well as especially drawings. You know, we keep on saying, telling her that do something, keep doing some drawings and all. She never does that at home. But you made it actually. We should thank you. We should thank you for that. And moreover, she's very interested in cooking. No, we love those laddus and those rusk pizzas and everything. Actually, we are into a joint family, and she gave each and everyone, and we all
that
loved
was
it.
a huge pizza platter. I saw that.
That's why we made her do it so much. That's why we made her do it so much.
Wow, that's amazing. Very good.
Yeah.
Even exercises she used to do very seriously.
Yeah. She does it. Actually, she loved it doing. She's very overwhelmed. I waiting for this day. She was like dancing yesterday. We are having party tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Hi. This is.
Thank you so much. And I think these 10 days she has loved these classes very much. She had a lot of friends too. She's getting along with a lot of friends, I think.
Yeah. Yes.
Now,
you know, if they raise hand, if I'm not looking at them, they will tell. Other will tell. She is asking. I mean, they will tell the name. Sai is asking. Sai is saying.
Not only they're getting along with all those names and everything, and she likes that actually.
Yeah.
She's telling us who is doing what and what are their names and everything. So I think she's loving those.
Yeah. Chalo, glad to know, ma'am. Thank you.
Some kind of communication is going between those kids.
That's the base of
so much.
working with a team kind of thing. This is how they learn how to be in a group actually.
Since she's missing her school classes and everything, no, I think she's enjoying this a lot.
Yeah.
Some kind of entertainment is going for her.
Right.
I hope she'll continue again. If you have a second batch, let's see. Yeah.
Sure. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Snehal, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Yeah, ma'am, this is Harshit's mother. Sorry, I just got a little late.
Nahi, that's okay. I thought you must be in the meeting and you will be.
Yeah, I was. You won't believe. I was in the meeting till almost 1:10, 1:15, and then I had to hurriedly some project, and it is real an emergency thing.
That's
so I
okay.
just
That's okay. That's okay, ma'am. It's okay.
Yeah, so I'm absolutely not giving any attention. I'm just thinking that no, my main motto was that I get some away time from him. I can focus. That is what is happening. I'm sorry. I should have paid attention, but it's okay. He is a little bit. I mean, by now I think he would have got to know how is he.
Yeah. I am sure he enjoyed thoda Tom and Jerry as
Ha,
I
ha,
said.
ha.
It happens with all the brothers and
But his
sisters,
attention
so-
span is very little. He is everywhere, even when in school also. His attention span, he just sits only when there is something teacher calls out, he comes, he answers. Again, he's kind of roaming. He's not got used to this एक जगह पे बैठो सुनो नहीं अभी तक उसको पिछले साल से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कर रहा है but he's not got used to it.
It's okay. कोविड थोड़ी हमेशा के लिए रहने वाला है. हमको तो जाना है ना स्कूल में. आदत हो जाएगी आदत. No problem.
But I really like your concepts of having a different I mean the versatility of all these things involved in this class. It's not just restricted to yoga or dance or song. It had drawing, it had I mean these what do you call as that fireless cooking was also something new. It was something really they enjoyed. They were more than excited to try it on their own beforehand. As you know, even the evening they tried it again yesterday. They had brought a big loaf of bread. They ensured that they completely finished it yesterday after doing the entire pizzas of those bread slices. But
That
it was
is the
fun.
best part. Actually, kids when they get to do it on their own, I think that is the best part.
Yes. And
they enjoy.
Yeah. He has brought some drawing. He keeps on doing some drawings on his own, and he wants to share.
Yeah. We do check. That's our everyday activity.
Yeah,
So
I
they
know.
show me art, craft. जो भी किया है, they will show me.
Yeah. Definitely. I mean, I really like your
Encouragement,
concept.
actually. So I think it's good. They get encouragement.
Yes. If
And I
he
get to see
is
the variety, for this age, what kids are doing. Even I like to see.
Actually, I had asked him, तुमको drawing class करना है?
Not doing this much.
No, I had asked him, we had a lot of conversation in between if you want to go for drawing class or summer camp. Then he decided it is summer camp, and for Anusha I got into her drawing class. So I asked the kids only what they want to be involved into.
That's nice. Chalega, Harshit, you can show me in drawing class session, Didi ke time
Yeah.
mention it,
Yes,
because I
yes,
have to talk to other parents also.
Yes. Definitely.
Chalega,
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes. So we'll disconnect. We'll leave the meeting. Is that okay? Or you want us
I
to be
think
around?
remaining
You want to take a
first day.
picture?
Okay, maybe you can leave. Chalega.
Chalega kya? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay then. Thank you. Yeah.
Purnima, if you are busy, you can just do your work because I'm keeping you in the last.
Now can we
Trit Babu, chalega. Bye.
Good evening.
Bye, Harshit.
Bye.
Bye.
And me?
Who?
Okay, ma'am.
If you have spoken, you can leave. अरे स्मिथ, तुम नहीं जा सकते भैया. अभी के ना बात की मैंने तुम्हारे साथ. Okay. Sai's parents, if you want to leave, you can leave. If you want to stay, you can stay. So Smith's mama, he enjoyed. Smith's mama.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye Adrit and family.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah,
Smith
ma'am.
mama,
He
Smith
enjoyed a lot.
enjoyed.
Yeah. Firstly, he was worried. He want to join with his sister.
I know. Arya ke saath.
Arya. Yeah.
Actually,
so he
it was not possible,
disappointed.
ma'am, because the batch strength is 15 now. वो batch में 15
Yeah.
हो गया था already.
Yeah. But then when he joined, he enjoyed.
Yes, Gargi. Bye. No, you have to stay back. थांब तिकडेच. तुझे तर मम्मी पप्पा दोघांशी बोलणार आहे मी. Yeah, so he overall enjoyed the activities.
Yeah. And he also enjoyed the exercise mainly. All the masti.
I know. He's a naughty smile actually.
Yeah.
He's not naughty, but he has that naughty smile.
Yes.
He's sincere that way. Chalega. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sai and Mama, if you want to leave, you can leave the meeting. No problem.
Okay, ma'am. Nice talking to you.
Yeah,
Take
yeah.
care.
Same here, ma'am. Thank you.
I hope we meet you soon again.
Yeah, pakka. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye, bete. Bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Paloma, is Mama coming? Yalini, you can also sign out, beta. Mama spoke to me now. Bye-bye. I'm going to miss you. So for Gargi, for Gargi, I said I'm going to talk to your papa also. Don't go.
Okay. Just a minute, ma'am.
नाही होऊ दे त्याचं काम 5 मिनिटांनी चालेल. Yeah, Paloma's mama. So both the girls are very busy, keeping you busy, Paloma's mama.
Yes, a lot. That's why I was not at all paying attention towards her.
No, but she is doing everything properly. I mean, she is like individual, independent, very good. Yeah.
Actually, she likes stuff like that, activity related. I mean, initially I was very hesitant to whether I should join the class or not, or whether she will able to like interested in that or not like that. So, but later she liked it. Fireless cooking and all. She loved it.
They enjoyed.
And most thing, like as you know, like little one is always.
That's okay. It happens in all the houses. I mean, that's okay. You know, there is one more little girl in first batch. She's the younger one, hardly 1 or 2 years. Today she was waiting till I said, hi, Arna. She's not even participant of summer camp. But then she sat beside Bhaiya. Wait, auntie has not said me hi yet. Jab tak auntie hi nahi bolegi, main jaungi nahi. And she sat there. So it's okay. I think it's okay.
But I like your energy and all, because you are keeping the interaction very interactive. That's why kids are more taking interest in the class. So I like that. First time I have joined any class like this.
Acha, okay.
Yes, so that's very good. I mean, credit goes to you.
Arey, yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah.
Let's see. I mean, I'm thinking on joining her for this drawing class. So let's see.
Okay. Chalega. Sure. Most welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. You can leave the meeting, ma'am. Chalega. Hello, Khyati's mama.
I'm here. Hi.
Huh.
Hi, Snehal.
So,
Yeah.
Khyati.
You handled my mother. You handled my daughter. What else do I have to say? You tell me. I don't have. There is proof in the pudding, no? What is there to say? You are the best, as I told you already. You handle people really well. Be it 50 or 5.
Yeah. How is auntie doing? She's good.
Yeah, she is good. She keeps asking, what did Snehal do today with Khyati and all that? Every day she keeps asking.
Okay, that's
good.
So she will get some
Yeah,
pizza
so
and
somehow
laddus when she meets Khyati.
Yeah. She has told my mom, I'll make it and give it to you when I come there. Yeah. Somehow you managed to do a different set of activities this time, right?
Yeah.
It was completely nice. Actually, it was something different from the previous camp, and it's
Right.
really nice. Yeah. Are you planning to do one more? Khyati was telling me.
Yeah. I'm planning to do one more
Great.
because we still have mid-May. This is
Yeah.
15 days time we have. So we'll,
Yeah.
but not these many batches because this was very strenuous
Too
for
much for
me.
you.
Morning
Yeah,
10 to 7:30, I'm sitting here only.
Yeah, that's
And,
too much for you. Yeah.
And you need same energy till end. Matlab,
Yeah.
maybe when I'm in front of people, I'm like this. So
Yeah.
I have to be fresh and energetic only.
Anyway, it was very nice. Let me know if the third batch comes. Khyati will definitely be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Chalega.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
See you around
Welcome,
again.
Purnima. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye. Love you. Can I exit, Khyati?
Hello, Gargi's papa. So, and Gargi enjoyed the summer camp?
Yes. Actually, आम्हाला थोडासा डाऊट होता.
चंचल आहे अजून ती लहान आहे ना शी स्मॉल
चंचल आहे आणि दुसरा असं आहे की फर्स्ट इंग्लिश इंटरॅक्शन फर्स्ट टाइमच होतं.
नाही but
she is in Marathi medium school.
that's okay ना. I think it is okay because काय म्हणतात त्याला, जनरली मी पण बोलते तेव्हा मराठी हिंदी इंग्लिश ते होतं ट्रान्झिशन, but then for this batch we had 3 people from Chennai आणि केरळाचे आहेत ही मुलं. So you know we have to keep changing the language and we can speak Hindi also. But it was fun. ठीक आहे.
But she enjoyed lot. आणि तिला आता कसं ना युट्यूब वरचे व्हिडिओ बघून हिंदी तिचं बऱ्यापैकी फ्लुएंट असं नाही म्हणणं, पण हिंदी समजतं तिला.
ओके.
किड्स
usually eventually kids learn all the languages. म्हणजे मला लँग्वेज आय नेव्हर फील की इट्स अ कन्स्ट्रेंट. ते हळूहळू शिकतातच कोणतीही भाषा असो.
आणि फर्स्ट टाइम असं की हिंदी मध्ये तिने गोष्ट सांगितली नाही.
That was so amazing. I just said, Gargi, is that your mama? She said yes. I said, tell your mama to go to other room. आणि त्याच्यानंतर जी गाडी तिची सुसाट सुटली, such a long story without any mistakes, without any pauses, without any break. Excellent job. मस्त सांगितले तिने. चालेगा. चलो, see you some time.
नेक्स्ट टाइम काही असेल तर जरूर सांग.
नक्की. येस, आय विल कीप यू पोस्टेड.
आणि आता आणखीन काही बॅचेस आहेत का? मी म्हणजे माझ्या मित्रांच्या मुलांसाठी वगैरे पण हे करते.
हो नक्की. मी समर कॅम्प साठी कळवते. आय माइट हॅव बॅचेस मिड मे नंतरच्या 2 weeks.
हो चालेल. मी जाईच्या नंबरवर माझा नंबर टेक्स्ट करतो.
हो चालेल.
चालेल. ओके.
चालेल. चलो ओके. टेक केअर. बाय.
बाय.
बाय.